Hi everybody, it's Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here for a Finally Friday video tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to emboss in color. So hang on and I'll get right to it. Today we're going to talk in depth about inking with our embossing folders, and I have the mini machine and embossing folder out just for video's sake. It'll take up less room, but you want to pick your embossing folder, and we will do a couple different versions. So we're going to start by this I'm calling the top, where it has the Stampin' Up logo or your Sizzix or whatever logo, or it's the one that is flat and the impressions are sunk in. So pick an ink, whatever color it is you want, and then drag it across your folder the best that you can. You can lay it down and drag it. You would just kind of want to make sure you're getting even coverage. I'm going to call that good. Got a piece of paper. Oh, I'm going to pull that where you put the the ink pad down. You're going to get a little bit thicker, so just kind of be mindful of what you got going. So put your paper down and shut the folder. You want to, I'm going to bring in my little machine. I've got my plate 1 and plate 4 because this is a 3D folder. You're going to run it with the hinge first, and the hinge is the top where it's connected together. And then I'm going to run this through. When we open it up, that's what our paper will look like. Okay, let me pause this and clean my folder off. Now we will try it on the other half where the impression is raised up, and I'll show you what that one looks like. Move that out of the way for a second. And so just so you know, and you don't keep trying a whole bunch of times, this is not going to be like perfect. You're not going to be able to cover the folder with all like even coverage every single time. And I'll show you a little bit here. See, if you look, it's kind of, you can see the smear marks from the ink. You're going to get things like that on it. You're going to get areas that have more ink than others, and that's just going to happen. It's not an exact science. It's just a cool technique. So I'm going to put my paper down again. I'm going to close it up. Make our sandwich. Run our hinge through first. Like so. Try not to jiggle the whole work surface. And then this is running it through where the ink is on the raised impression, so the ink is going to go down into the grooves. You could see where some of it touches the top, and you get a little bit of smear on the flat part, but again, it's not a perfect science. And so there's two different ways that you can do it, two different looks. And then I will quick show you one. I'll use this one. You can take a lighter color of ink, or I guess I've already used the lighter color. I want to use a darker color this time. And you can softly, gently drag that across the paper. Carefully, don't put too much pressure, just drag it. And you can drag it as much as you want until you've got the look that you want. But what this is doing is it's coloring the raised up pieces that in this case are the like I'm going to call them fronds. It's the needles, the actual branches. They're not fronds, they're branches. And then you're coloring those. So that gives a different look and accents, brings out the branches of the pine tree for that one. So, all right, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back again. Until then, enjoy the rest of the weekend and whatever you got planned. Stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.